super pretty, easy crafts. We're gonna start crafting here. Hopefully do something nice for Halloween decorations. Okay, so here's what we're gonna be using. Some dollar store glass containers, okay? I got this one at the dollar store. This one is also from the dollar store. This one is from Michael's. This one is from the dollar store. This one is from Michael's. This one is from Michael's. Oh, and this is from the dollar store. So we're not gonna be doing all of them, but I just wanted to show you that you can get a different variety of these. But we're gonna be using this one. We're gonna be using this one because we're gonna be doing a Frankenstein style, okay? A decoration, a pumpkin. This is gonna be a pumpkin. And then we're going to be doing a potion, a magic potion. So these are the three that we're gonna be using for this craft. And I'm going to be using my Tri-Art liquid glass as my glue because I know that this dries clear. But you could use Mod Podge. You could use, I know there is like a liquid that you can use for decorations for Christmas, you know, that you can use to stick the glitter to your, like to your spheres, Christmas ornaments and all of that. This one dries with a clear glossy finish, so this is what I'm going to be using. And then you're going to need some electrical tape, black electrical tape. You can also find this at the dollar store. I found this one at the dollar store. And I even found these nails at the dollar store. We're going to be using that for our Frankenstein here. This is going to be the Frankenstein's head. And of course our glitter. Let's do the Frankenstein since that one is the one that takes a little bit longer. So what I did here was, this is the cap, the lid that came with this dollar store jar, okay? And all I did was I put in some of these nails. I just used a hammer and put them right through, okay? Now this is not gonna screw back on with those nails, but we are going to secure it like this, okay? It's gonna be backwards. But this one, since this one's going to be Frankenstein, we're going to be using our Magic Forest glitter here. All you're gonna do is first add some of this. You're on the inside and you're gonna coat the whole inside with it. So I'm just gonna add some and tilt it around. And yeah, probably using a brush is gonna be a better idea. It's gonna spread it much faster. I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit while the excess drains out. Let's add some of our glitter in there. Let's add some of that. Let's just shake this, shake, shake, shake. And then we're gonna decorate the outside so it looks like a cute Frankenstein. So here's how it's looking. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so now we're gonna just put the excess, if we have any excess, let's see. Do we have any excess here? Yeah. So we got a bunch here left. We're just gonna put that back. We're gonna put our nails right through the lid, okay? And then we're gonna secure this to the top of the container, but the way that we're gonna secure it is by using some black electrical tape. Actually, we're gonna put these at the very end. Not right now yet, okay? So let's start on the bottom. Let's put some tape right here, and then just cover that base of our container and put some more tape to attach our glass to the lid. We're just gonna go around, make sure it's nice and secure. So here's how it's looking. So I already had a hole pre-made here, but now, you know, it's kind of covered with the tape, but I'm just gonna go through, try to find, I can see the hole here, so I'm gonna make the hole from the inside to the outside to just kind of see where it is. And that tape's just gonna help it stay a little bit more stable so that the nails don't fall off so easily. And you could put some glue in here if you wanted to keep these nails from, you know, from falling off. You can put some glue inside and, you know, just keep those nails there. But for the sake of time, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna leave it like it is. And we're gonna cover now the top so that you don't see the nails. And I'm just gonna start going with my tape right across and gluing it down on both ends. So that's how it looks so far. Okay, now we're gonna put a little bit of a Frankenstein face on this jar. We're gonna cut some eyes first. Our eyes are just gonna be 2 squares or rectangles. Okay, so we're just gonna stick our eyes right on there. And then we're gonna make the mouth, another rectangle. Let's put our mouth right there. And then we're going to cut these strips. I think I'm going to cut the eyes a little bit, okay? Because I need to put a little bit of hair here. And so I want the eyes to be slightly less thick. Okay, somewhat like that. Okay, and look at that. Okay, so now we're gonna be adding our hair, Frankenstein's hair. So for this, I'm just getting a big piece of tape, and I'm just gonna be cutting sort of like some triangles, right? So I'm going to be cutting some triangles, and we want to make sure we don't cut it all the way through. Okay, so we're just going to do a few of those. I love Halloween. And so, okay, so we're going to put our little hair right here. Isn't that cute? Look at that. And we're just gonna glue it down. Stick it on there. Okay, there you have it. There's our little Frankenstein. Like, again, this one, you can cover it more with, you can cover it with tape so that you don't see those chunks of tape going down. So I'm just going to add one more here to cover those. And I think this will be good to go. We're going to move on to our pumpkin and then to our magic potion bottle. Okay, look at this. That's so cute. You can do this with your kids, grandkids, even just by yourself. These are super fun to make. Dollar store, this is a dollar store container. The tape also from the dollar store, nails from the dollar store. And then the only other thing that I used was the glitter inside, this beautiful magic forest glitter, and something to glue that glitter inside. In this case, I used the Tri-Art liquid glass, which will dry completely clear and glossy. So there you have it. Okay, let's move on to our pumpkin. Wouldn't this look gorgeous on a geode? Or on any, like a coaster or even a tumbler. These glitters are just gonna look gorgeous. Okay, so here's our first one. Let's move on to our pumpkin.